Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your PlayStation 5 entering rest mode randomly. So this could be happening because some settings are turned on and we just need to simply turn those off. So let's go to System right here, going down to where it says HDMI, and then go to the right. And there's one option under here that says Enable One Touch Play. If you turn on your PS5, the Connect device will also turn on to switch this input to the PS5, but right under that is Power Off link. So if we go to this option, if you turn off your device connected to your PS5, maybe it's like a soundbar or something like that, your PS5 could be entering rest mode because of that. So if you turn off your TV, your PS5 is going to turn off. So it could even maybe be because you switch inputs or something like that, or you switch over to your Fire Stick. So just turn off this option right here, and then we can back out and go to power saving. Go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And we got during media playback, this is set to 4 hours of inactivity. And then our PS5 will turn off into rest mode. And then we got while playing games. So usually 1 hour is good enough for me if I'm not playing anything. My PS5 will automatically enter rest mode. You do have the option to go to do not put in rest mode if you want. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.